Wadhi nyime koro wadang'iyo achudhe moko ma koro donjore kendo chako gajo jopiny kaluwore kod singo gi chiwo mowuok kuom piny owacho. Obila e boma ma Nairobi omako achije 4 mane temo loko mbolea ma piny owacho nochiwo nono e gunde mamoko mondo gichak uso. Kaluwore gi Adamson Bungei ma en komanda mar Obila ma Nairobi, ne giyudo gunde mag ochele maromo 1,360 kod gunde 200 mag oduma ma bende ne gidwa ni mondo loki e gunde mopogore. Ne gilero ni giyudo kwan maromo ogunde 50,000 mag mbolea apaya mana nyuki e gwenge ma lunga lunga e bomano. Bungei wacho ni achijego ibiro teri do nyaka chieng' gitiek timo nonro.
Today, during our normal operations within the entire command of Nairobi, we got information that there was some illegal business going on within this particular go-down, and in their normal operation, they were able to find that there was some packaging of the local fertilizer, which was meant to be the subsidy, or it was meant to be supplied by the government as a subsidy. But again, after we got in, we realized that they were doing a repackaging of the same. Of course, this is something that will go under investigation because we are yet to find out why they were repackaging the fertilizer that was meant as a subsidy to the local market or for the local farmers within our country. And that, therefore, we've been able to arrest a few of the workers and also a manager who is involved in this business. And we are yet to investigate because our teams are in already to ensure that they do a follow-up and the leads to ensure that we are able to recover or to unravel what is behind the syndicate of this business that is going on in this particular